What's the meaning of bed? Bed. Bed.
Bed. Bed. BED stands for Bachelor of Education. It is an undergraduate academic degree program that typically takes 4 years to complete. The program is designed to prepare individuals to become professional teachers and educators in schools and other educational settings. Students in a BED program typically take courses in education theory, curriculum development, teaching strategies, child development and psychology, classroom management, and assessment and evaluation techniques. Upon completing the program, graduates can pursue careers as elementary, middle, or high school teachers, education administrators, curriculum designers, educational consultants, and more. A BED degree is an important step for those interested in making a positive impact on the lives of children and youth by shaping their future through education.